What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex over here in the Let's Ride Garage, and behind me I got my dad's Axum frame, and I really think it's about time for me to start putting it together. And in this video we're gonna go ahead and install the crankset. Before I go any further than that, please, if you're new here or if you're back, and if you haven't, please consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on. You can become a channel member, and if you want to support the channel, you can do it through the affiliate links in the description below, which I be linking everything that I use in this video for you to check out. Other than that, let's get right into it. All right, so in order to install this crankset, we're gonna need a few parts, of course. We're gonna need a crankset, which I had already purchased this before. This is a GoPro crankset that came with the random chain ring. In this case, they sent out the 36 tooth round blue one. We're not gonna use that. So instead, I'm gonna use these decas that I got. It's an oval, and it's 32 tooth, and it's red. And why red is because the accents in this bike is gonna be red. And of course, you have the crank arms. This is the one with the shaft. We're gonna be using this. This is the other side. It comes with the locking nut and a gasket kind of thing that goes somewhere in this side. So this is what we're gonna be using, and of course we're gonna have the bottom bracket. This is a hollowtech. The cool thing about this one is that this one actually comes labeled. All the other ones that I have used before, I don't know if you can see over here, but we have left and right, even on the plastic thing. And also on the actual thing right here, you have left and right, so you know exactly what side it goes. And it also has a little arrow that points to the directions where you're gonna be tightening it. So in this case, both sides are gonna be tightened towards the back of the bike. Besides this, I'm also gonna be using my bottom bracket tool and a little bit of grease. And of course I have an old toothbrush because I don't want to make a mess. And we're just gonna hit. I usually just put one spacer on the drive side. That's what usually works for me. But other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of grease right here. Let's get that party started. And same thing on the other side. And this is supposed to be 40 to 50 Newton meters torque. I don't have a torque socket for that, so I'm just gonna guesstimate it. Rotate backwards, both sides, click. When installing an oval chain ring, sometimes it has an arrow indication somewhere, but if it doesn't, the oval side or the wider side, whatever you want to call it, this length goes opposite to the crank, so keep that in mind. Now make sure you put grease on the shaft. I already did. Drive side, push it in. So just like that, in a few minutes, with the right tools, you can have this done, I'd say, in probably about 5 minutes, if your bottom bracket is already taken apart. If it's not taken apart, as you've seen on some of my previous videos, it might be a hassle to sometimes remove the square taper bottom bracket. But once that thing is out, this is a very simple process. Again, I'll leave affiliates for everything that I use in the description below, the tools, the parts, and everything that I have. And other than that, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like, please go ahead and share it with somebody who needs to know how to do this. And other than that, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride!